Today I'll be tackling dogs who don't like being touched in some way, and also cats who ignore you or perhaps don't even know their names. I'm Dr. Jo Righetti. Thanks for joining me. Gary from New Zealand sent me an email to ask why his cat Prince, a British Blue, ignores him. Well, cats often look like they're ignoring us. Perhaps they're not making much eye contact. Perhaps they're just snoozing the day away. They're probably not ignoring us. We know that cats, when they respond to the humans, often all they do is flick an ear. They have 32 muscles in each ear, so their ears can be very expressive. So have a look at your cat. Do they come and seek out your attention for pats, perhaps for food? In that way your cat is not ignoring it. If you want your cat to spend more time with you, encourage them perhaps with a few cat treats or play some games with them. Anything your cat enjoys, but cats often will enjoy just curling up next to us. Sometimes we even hear them growling a little bit, which means they're not enjoying it so much. If I want my cat to respect me, I'll let them go. I had an email from Mandy in Coffs Harbour in Australia about her Labradoodle Rosie. Why does my dog hate it when I touch her paws? She squirms and tries to get away. I need to cut her nails, but it's really difficult. Okay, Mandy, a lot of dogs and cats don't like their paws being touched. They're really sensitive in between the pads of their paws. What to do is to desensitize them. Touch your pet little and often. So think about perhaps just cutting one claw a day, or wear your dog's nails down by taking them out walking on pavements and concrete. I think it's a good idea if you can, just gradually build up, get them used to the grooming tools, just hold their paw without actually doing anything to them. Perhaps somebody can help you by holding your dog or offering your dog treats for being calm. After all, we need to reward them when they're doing the right thing. So little and often, if it all gets too difficult cutting your dog's nails, then I'd say head out to the professional groomers. That will preserve your bond with the beautiful Rosie. Does your cat know its name? Well, most cats do, but Ellie from Sydney says her cat, Fluffy, doesn't know its name. But her other cats are called Buddy and Muddy, and this may give you a clue. All three names are very, very similar. And so your cat may find it hard to distinguish between the three. So you could either change up the name a little bit, or you could just practice giving your cat a treat. So, when your cat is coming to you, say their name, give them a treat, give them praise, give them pats, whatever motivates them. And if you keep doing this day after day, your cat will get the hang of understanding the name means good things. It means attention from you, or it means tasty treats. Please share with us how you chose your pet name. In our Pet Problem Solved podcast towards the end, we're going into tips for choosing pet names. This episode is made possible by Pet Problem Solved. Check out our website, petproblemsolved.com.au. I'm Dr. Jo Righetti, animal behaviourist, and I'm here to answer your pet behaviour questions. Why does my dog hate being picked up? My dog's a Yorkie, a Yorkshire Terrier, whose name is Yorkie. Madison from Glenelg, Adelaide, has emailed me this. Well, a small dog like a Yorkshire Terrier will be picked up quite often by owners, I'm sure. But imagine if your dog was a 50-kilo Mastiff or something, you just wouldn't be able to pick them up. So you could make the call that, well, I won't pick my dog up. We'll find other ways of interacting. If I need my dog to come to me, I'll motivate her to come there. If you really do want to pick your dog up though, and a lot of owners do, and it is a good idea so that you can have a vet check, your vet's able to lift her up in safety. So what to do there is to get her used to it little and gradually. So start by just putting your hands around your dog and then taking them off again. Put them around your dog and perhaps just lift one paw off the floor and down again. Gradually build up so that you're lifting your dog up off the ground for a little bit longer each time. Now, It's important to make them feel secure when you do this, so make sure you're using 2 hands and that the whole of their body is supported. If they start to squirm and wriggle, you've probably gone too far, too fast. Go back a step or 2. Taking your time over this, having patience, will gradually let your dog accept this form of handling. If you're enjoying our Pet Problem Solved podcast and video series, why not subscribe to us on your favourite podcast channels or on YouTube? We do post these on social media too, so you can check in on individual problems or watch each of our weekly series. We love having you here and we look forward to receiving your questions. If you have a question for us on your pet's behaviour, it doesn't need to be a problem, just any question about pet behaviour, please email us at info@petproblemsolved.com.au or check out our website petproblemsolved.com.au. I'm Dr. Jo Righetti, animal behaviourist. Please take care of your pets.